Hi everyone, in this tutorial I'll show you how to create a fiscal calendar in NetSuite. I'd love to have you subscribe to this channel for more useful tutorials. Once this is done, once you click on that button under the video to subscribe, let's get started. So first you need to make sure that the multiple calendars feature is enabled. For that, please watch the previous video that I made about enabling that feature. Once this is done, you will go to the main menu to set up accounting fiscal calendars. You won't see it if you haven't enabled the multiple calendars feature, so please think about that. So I'll click on it. And now that I'm on this page, don't forget to visit calendar.com for more tools and information to enhance your accounting processes. So I will click on New Fiscal Calendar. I will enter a name, Demo Fiscal Calendar. In the first fiscal month, enter the month the fiscal year begins. And check Default Fiscal Calendar to assign this calendar to new subsidiaries. If you find this video helpful, please like it, then save your fiscal calendar. If you follow these steps, you'll be able to create a fiscal calendar in NetSuite and improve your financial management. Thank you for watching.